was the Victor Marx world's fastest disarm. Next is the Michael D. Betancourt disarm. So this disarm consists of 3 movements. The first one, moving the gun out of the line of fire. The second one is bringing the gun back towards the opponent. The third one is twisting the gun back towards you and disarming it. Now, you get the gun out of the line of fire. His natural inclination is usually to pull the gun back towards him, which helps you with this movement. If you can, bring your second hand to use it to rip the gun away. Now, if he's holding it left-handed, same technique. It works the same way.